Hello, Beechwood Band. We're going to be talking about rhythm performance on the medium difficulty setting. Now, it's going to be very important that you check the specifics of your assignment details here. Now, this is going to be an overall overview of the medium difficulty level. Specific assignment levels may have different numbers of completed, errors allowed, and such. So let's go ahead and take a look at what rhythms you're going to see on the medium level and how we're going to count those. So first things first, as always with rhythm performance, we need to calibrate, and that means that I'm using 8 quarter notes here. I'll hear 4 high-pitched drum taps, and then I will click once for each beat for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure, of course, that I click exactly when each beat begins. Now here I have whole notes, and you'll notice this is a carryover from easy. You'll see some elements from easy mixed into medium in addition to some more challenging rhythms as well. For whole notes, remember that they are 4 beats each. Click on the first beat, wait 3 beats before the next one. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I always recommend counting out loud as you click to help you stay in time with the beat. For this one of the new groupings that you're going to see are our 8th notes. And right here you'll see these 2 look like quarter notes, except that they have this beam over the top. This beam tells us that they are 8th notes. 8th notes happen twice in a beat. So 8th notes are each worth a half beat each. So I actually, on this beat here, the second beat of this measure, I'm going to have to click twice. Now here's how we're going to do that. Anytime I have 8th notes in my measure, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to add the word and. Now in music, if I was writing this out, an and would look like a plus sign, which I would put over this note right here. Now I would count 2 measures of 8th notes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice that I'm saying all of my counts very accurately and very exactly as I'm doing this. Now, I'm going to clap this for you without doing it on the click pad so you can see it again, and we'll do it on the click pad in a second. This is me clapping and counting it. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So again, I have to clap twice on this second beat. Once on 2, once on and. Now I'm going to keep saying all of the ands as I count because I want to keep track of where all of those ands are throughout the whole thing. But I'm only going to use the and when I have an 8th note on that beat. I'm only going to clap on an and when I have that. So let's try this with the drum pad. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now here I have quite a few 8th notes together in a row. So again, I'm going to have a clap once on beat 1, then I have to clap on 2 and 3 and 4 and. Lots of claps, and then only 1 clap for our whole note in the next measure. This would sound like this. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Oops, I counted and clapped that instead of clicking on the drum pad. Let me do this on the drum pad for you. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Ta-da! And that's what you're going to see in medium is the addition of these 8th notes in addition to quarter notes and half notes. Remember that it's very important that you click exactly when the beat happens on your Chromebook. for it to read correctly. If you're having trouble with a rhythm section of this, you can always email me or visit me during my office hours and we can talk strategy.